Yes, I know I've been untrue, and I have hurt you through and through. But please have mercy on this heart of mine. Take me back and try me one more time. If, my darling, you could see just what your leaving did to me, you'd know that love is still